So today I'm going to be going through things that I wish that I knew before I started felting, and these are going to be very handy for you to know if you are new to felting. So first of all, you can see here I've just got my felting mat, and when you are felting a structure like the one that was just on the screen, the most important thing is just roll the wool nice and tightly into the shape that you want, and by rolling it tightly it means that it's going to be quicker actually to felt into shape. And the reason for this is because of the fact that when you felt, it compresses the wool. So if the wool is already tightly compressed, this takes a lot of the felting work out of it, and just makes it easier in the long run. When you're felting something quite big, it can also be useful to felt with 2 needles, just like I'm doing here, and you can actually get special felting needle holders that will hold 2 or even more needles, so that is quite useful when you're felting something big. Obviously when you're felting more finer detail, you'll just be better off using the 1 needle. So when felting, it's also important that you felt so that whatever the object is nice and firm after. So as you can see here, when I'm pressing on this, it doesn't give that much, and that is good, because I have found if I don't felt something enough, over time it can gradually, the wool fibres can gradually become looser, and your object won't be as firm as it once was. So here I've just got some leather finger protectors, and these are very good to wear when you're felting, and this is because there's always a risk that you're going to accidentally stab your finger with the needle. So those leather finger protectors are just really good in protecting the finger if that was to happen. So lastly, as you can see, this is my felting mat, and this has got a lot of use out of it, which is why it is looking a bit old now. However, I would recommend that you buy a felting mat that is this similar to this one. So this is one of my new ones, because I also sell these in my Etsy shop, but there are other companies that sell these as well, or ones similar. So they're just really good because they last a long time. They're much more durable than the foam felting mats. And if you want to find out more about the different types of felting mats, you can watch my video specifically about them, which I will put a link to in the description box below. So thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please just leave them in the comment section below this video.